Friday, 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 happy day, Friday, Friday, today is Friday, 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 today is Friday, Friday, Friday.
Ganyan talaga.
Friday, Friday.
What is the weather today?
Today, sunny day.
Rainy day.
Rainy
So,
day.
kanta.
Rainy day, today, rainy day. Rainy day, rainy day, rainy day, rainy.
Incy Wincy.
Friday, happy water up. And the red ice was the father up. And the bright ice
Down came
rain.
the sun.
Sun. The boys laugh.
Ano pang kanta alam mo, Bel?
Hello.
1, 2, ano, Indian voice. 1, 2.
Eat three, in them boys. The 3, 5, in them girls. Basta.
Ano pangalan ng mami mo? Ano sabi doon ng si Lion? Paano yan? Diba tataas yung ulo? Ay, ganun! Ay, dirty yan. Saan ka nagpunta kahapon? Ano nakita mo sa Subic?
Dirty.
Tsaka?
Ngayon.
Tsaka?
Ayun.
Sabi mo, hi, Dory.
Ayun.
Galing mo, hi, Dory.
Ayun. Saan?
Hi ka lang. Sabi mo, hi, Dory.
Ayun.
Hi, Ate Joyce.
Ayun.
Sino pa?
Ayun.
Ate?
Ate?
Hi ka, dali.
Hi.
Hi, ano?
Hindi ko. Ha?
Dali.
Hi, Daddy.
Cherry.
Hi, Daddy.
Sino pang nalala mo?
Hindi.
Ate Che?
Aba.
Oh, hi ka na.
Hi.
Eh, si Ate, Mitch.
Hi.
Miss mo sila? Sabi mo, miss you.
Thank you.
Balik kayo dito.
My dito.
Eh, paano si Ate Mayo at si Ate Karen?
Hello. Saan? Saan?
Nandun sila sa bahay nila. Sino si Popoy, be?
Tao.
Ano si Popoy?
Tao.
Saan siya nakatira?
Sa bahay niya. Nan.